The armorer convicted in the Rust movie shooting is set to be sentenced this morning. A jury found Halyna Gutierrez-Reed guilty just last month of involuntary manslaughter in the death of cinematographer Halyna Hutchins. The shooting happened while the movie's producer and star, Alec Baldwin, was filming a scene. Prosecutors say a live round was in a prop gun Baldwin used on set. Defense attorneys want the judge to give Gutierrez-Reed a conditional discharge, but prosecutors want her to serve out the maximum 18 months behind bars. Stephanie Haynes joins us live with more. Stephanie, prosecutors are saying Gutierrez-Reed called some of those jurors idiots in her jail phone calls. What more can you tell us?
Yeah, Markie, good morning. Prosecutors include all of these summaries of these jailhouse calls by Halyna Gutierrez-Reed since she's been in jail since March 6th or so. And then they include these in these filings in which they allege that these conversations that she had show this complete and total failure to accept responsibility. That's a direct quote from the prosecutors. And so in these calls, prosecutors write Gutierrez-Reed blames the set medic as well as the paramedics who rendered aid to Halyna Hutchins. She requested her attorneys reach out to the Hutchins family to speak on her behalf at sentencing. She complains that the jury took a little more than 2 hours to reach that verdict. And then she also says in these phone calls, prosecutors say, that she wants Alec Baldwin to go to jail, writing, quote, Halyna says that if she is subpoenaed to Baldwin's trial, she will not show up. Halyna complains that she shouldn't be subpoenaed if Baldwin didn't show up for her. So in a response filing, Gutierrez-Reed's attorneys write in part, quote, the prosecutors highlighting of Ms. Gutierrez-Reed's jail calls evidencing frustration at the system does not detract from her heartbreak and extreme sadness over what occurred on the Rust set. No doubt some of the things said on those jail calls were not accurate. So Baldwin's trial is set for July in the same courthouse. And of course, he's maintained this whole time he never pulled the trigger, although this recent FBI forensic report states otherwise. A grand jury indicted him on an involuntary manslaughter charge earlier this year. His attorneys are seeking to dismiss that charge, saying that prosecutors were not fair to Baldwin during that grand jury process. But the state says that this is his attorney's attempt to discredit the case as it moves forward.
Will he testify? I think that potentially could happen. Or possibly, will he work a plea deal before the fact and the case not go to trial? Or in the fact, is Ms. Gutierrez-Reed going to testify and say that it wasn't her fault at the trial and blame him potentially?
We reached out to Baldwin's attorneys and did not hear back, but we can expect that they will be paying really close attention during the sentencing hearing, which is set for 10 a.m. local time in New Mexico. And Markie, by the way, the film Rust, the production has resumed, and no word on when it will be finished or released to the public, but we do know that Hutchins' family is executive producing it. Markie.
Oh, wow. Okay. Stephanie Haynes, thank you so much. We know you're following it closely.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. Also, don't forget to click that red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.